Hello guys, Mr. DX Reaper here, back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you PS2 emulator, XBSX2 for Xbox Series S. It does work on Xbox One and Xbox Series X. Here's the emulator. You get your games list. You can add cover arts to them, as you can see here. PS2 BAS files, startup game from the launch file. You have all the settings in here too, like the directory path, the game directory. If people would like to see a video on how you actually install this on retail mode, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll happily show you. And I will quickly start up a game and show you that it runs. You got the FPS counter up there too. Obviously I want to show you that it works and stuff. Oh, the mess. Don't even know what the hell that is. On the Xbox Series S, it does dip, like the FPS. But as you can see here, the quality of the game looks phenomenal. It's actually looking very well. They have done an amazing job with this, I must say. Little frame drop there. You got this menu here, so you can switch like the rendering and stuff. If you do this, it goes back to the, as you can see. I don't think it did it. Hang on. Oh, there you go. As you can see now, the graphics look a little bit worse. Don't know if you guys can see that, and it's made my FPS like go really bad. But if I turn that back on, usually don't make the FPS drop that bad. You can change the game settings if you go into here, see what region your game is and see the series number and stuff. Enable other things for the games in these settings here. And then obviously to go back to the main menu, just close. So I don't want to save it. And then as you can see, on retail mode you can have up to 7 games. Or it depends how big the size are, because obviously you get a size limit, don't you, on retail. But as you guys can see, it is on retail mode. You can see all my friends online and stuff. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you'd like to see a video on how to actually install this, please let me know in the comments, and I'd happily do that for you. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.